once this car's in the $5,000 range, I think people are gonna start blowing them up and over boosting them. I think that's in the future of this car. So I want to have a stock one. Oh look, it's initial D right there. You see it? Initial D right in front of us. See, that's a car guy right there. AE86. There you go. It's the first time I saw initial D on the freeway.
Alright, today's video, kind of a director's cut, behind the scenes sort of video. I have a few clips to share. I think it's good footage, but I don't know what to do with them. I don't want to erase them either, so I'll just share them here. The last video I made, the worst car of all time, don't buy, response to Scotty Kilmer. A few months ago, Scotty Kilmer made a video, the worst car of all time, and he's recommended to me all the time. I'm not subscribed to him, but you know, sometimes I'll click on his videos. He's entertaining sometimes. And the car he said is the worst car of all time was the Fiat 500, which I own, the Abarth edition. So I thought it was kind of a cool topic. You know, I turned that, you know, I don't get mad when people don't like my car. You know, not everyone's going to like what you like. But I thought it would be a cool topic. Like, why would I pick a car like the Abarth knowing it has a horrible reputation? And that's what my video was about in a nutshell. I wanted a fun car. I wanted something that I would enjoy driving no matter what. Every time I jump in that car, I have fun. And to me, it's worth it to have that over something proven like a Corolla. I'm having more fun in an Abarth than I would have fun in a Corolla. My mom had a Corolla, great car, 05, 175,000 miles. Unfortunately, it got hit, but that thing never had any issues. But it was not a fun car to drive. It was a commuter car. And the enthusiast in me wants to have some fun. But what I wanted to add to that worst car of all time video, I wanted to make it more elaborate, but you know, I didn't want it to be a 20-minute video, but I wanted to show cars because my Abarth was a 2015, bodied in 2018. So a 3-year-old car, low resale value. I mean, it lost half of its value in 3 years, so $12,000, 3-year-old car, 35,000 miles. So what I wanted to do, what I wanted to add to that video is what could you buy that's like 3 years old with about 30,000 miles on it. I should have put actually 2017 because we're at 2020 now, but yeah, I thought of my friend Steve here. My friend Steve is a lot like me. He likes everything, and when I saw the Kia Soul, I'm like, that's my buddy Steve's car right there. And these are all manuals, so let's see what we got. Kia Soul, normal Fiat, Kia Forte, Nissan Sentra, Scion IA. Now this is a cool car, Jetta. My sister has a Jetta. I finally got to drive it, and it's an her car's an automatic, but it also has a 1.4 turbo, like my Fiat, my Abarth. And I said, if that car was a manual, it would be a lot of fun. Here we go, manual, 11.9, 28,000 miles. Volkswagens don't hold their value either, but I'd totally drive this car. Normal Fiat again, Nissan Sentra, another Jetta, Chevy Spark. You could get one of these brand new for 11. Another Jetta. I'm seeing a no one wants their Jetta, huh? It's a nice car. Mirage, brand new, under 12. There you go, Chevy Spark, brand new, under 12. I was considering getting one of these brand new, but the car guy in me, I mean, I like the look of the Spark. I like hatchbacks and I like having a manual, but the Abarth is just so good. Just sounds so good. It's just such a cool car. But looking at the cars here, nothing. I think the Jetta's pretty cool with the stick. It's just a cool car. But I think the Abarth is the best. Elantra. Yeah, seeing lots of Versas. Hyundai Accent, that's not the hatchback. Another normal Fiat. So, yeah, I wanted to add something like this to my video. Like, what could you buy for cheap? Like, really. So, the car guy in me wanted the fun car, and I was willing to take a gamble at an unreliable car. Alright, here's some extra footage of stuff that I don't know what to do with. Happy Saturday, everyone. Actually, it's Sunday today. Happy Sunday, everyone. Hope everyone's having a great week so far. Here's how the turbo simulators sound inside of the car under a bridge. Checking out this Ford Econoline right now. I brought my scanner with me just to make sure it'll pass California smog, make sure everything's good. No store check engine lights. It's all good to go. 4 rows of seating. Check it out. Look at that. 4 rows. 15 passenger van. I saw the decal in the back. It was a former church van. So it's clean. This thing's really clean. This thing's really nice. It's already nicer than my van when I bought my van 10 years ago. This one's already nicer, and the AC works. Look at all that AC here. They all work. Everything works. Just waiting for the guy to move the car so I could drive this. But yeah, it's nice. This is the only thing. This is broken, but you know, I'll take this out. I'll make it nicer. This is kind of ugly. Yeah, check it out. V10 Ford Econoline. Cruise control. I need cruise control. All the windows work, which I like. I should check if the back door's open too. That's important too. The back doors on my Econoline stopped working.